Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD.
What is GetResponse? GetResponse is a comprehensive email marketing and automation platform combining powerful tools and AI solutions created to grow your online business. Email marketing tools like GetResponse help you not only to make your emails pretty with free mobile responsive templates and features like the email creator, but also help you build and segment your email list, automate your communication, and keep track of your campaigns. This powerful email marketing platform offers many benefits that can help businesses increase conversions, grow their subscriber list, improve customer engagement, and ultimately boost sales and revenue. One of the key advantages of using GetResponse is its ability to increase conversions. Number 1. GetResponse features. Number 2. Email marketing. Number 3. Autoresponders. Number 4. AI email generator. Number 5. Website builder. Number 6. Landing pages. Number 7. Marketing automation. Number 8. SMS marketing. Number 9. Web push notifications. Number 10. Conversion funnel. Number 11. Live chats. Number 12. E-commerce integrations. Number 13. Pop-ups and forms. Number 14. AI recommendations. Number 15. Paid ads. Number 16. Webinars, etc.
If you have any problem, you can comment us. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.